The Indian smartphone maker Lava International has launched its new entry-level smartphone under Yuva series called Lava Yuva Star. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Yuva Star features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display, with a water drop notch at the top center, that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner, that houses a 13-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. Under the hood, the Lava Yuva Star comes powered by Uni SoC SC9863A chipset, paired with IMG 8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 under Geo Edition. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Yuva Star has been priced at 6,499 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in black, lavender, and white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Yuva Star 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.